What kind of a fashion lover you are? I always curious to know about that.
I think if you see me, you'll understand. I'm most of the time నేను చాలా సార్లు కాటనే వేసుకుంటాను. ఎందుకంటే నేను కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉండాలి. సో ఫ్యాషన్ సెకండరీ, నాకు కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉండాలి. సో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్, లైటర్ కలర్స్ ఎక్కువ వాడుతూ ఉంటాను.
So if we talk about three good outfits that are always there, obviously the tops and trousers are always there, your cup of tea. But other three outfits you have to choose, what will it be? Occasionally, parties or some special occasion.
నేను వేసుకునేది రెండే రకాలండి. ఐ విల్ వేర్ కుర్తాస్ వేసుకుంటాను. కుర్తాస్, షల్వార్స్, షార్ట్ కుర్తాస్, లాంగ్ కుర్తాస్, కంఫర్టబుల్ వన్స్, అండ్ ప్యాంట్స్ అండ్ షర్ట్స్, టీ-షర్ట్స్ అంతే. ఇంకేం ఉండదు.
But ma'am, we're curious to know, have you tried wearing half sari or sari anytime in your lifetime, or we can see you?
Yeah, I mean, sari వేసుకున్నాను నేను. I've worn till I think కొన్ని ఏళ్ళ అయింది చీర కట్టుకొని, బట్ కట్టుకున్నాను. ఫొటోస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. I have worn it, but I find it too tedious to wear it. Okay. That's all. Anduke.
So how many saris you have? I'm curious to know. You shop for saris?
I don't have any now. I'm not wearing, so I don't keep them. Kani veskunnanu, and I didn't have to really go and buy endukante amma daggara chaala unnai. So I had worn for several functions and all that.
And how your friendship with the designer you're talking about, if you can elaborate on that, how you met and how the collaboration goes, about the dressing sense and what you share on your fashion.
Vaishali and me అంటే 20 years నుంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఏనండి. అండ్ షీఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ వెల్ నోన్ అండ్ సీనియర్ డిజైనర్స్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. అండ్ వైశాలి తోటి ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా నేను ఎలా కంఫర్ట్గా ఫీల్ అవుతానో తనకు తెలుసు. సో దాని ప్రకారంగా డిజైన్ చేస్తుంది. షీ నోస్ ఐ ఫైండ్ ఇట్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు క్యారీ దుపట్టాస్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్. సో దుపట్టా లేకుండా కూడా ఎట్లా ఎలిగెంట్గా ఉండాలి, నా బాడీ టైప్కి కట్ ఎలాగా ఉండాలి. సో నేను వైశాలి దగ్గరికి వస్తే ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దట్. హ్యాపీగా చేసి పెడతాను.
So last time, ma'am, you remember when you wear sari or half sari?
Last time was long back for a wedding. I wore it.
How many years is that? Your friend wedding?
More than 15 years ago.
15 years. You're not missing. We are missing to see you on that sari or half sari.
No, there are enough people wearing saris who look pretty.
So can we see you in the future wearing?
No. I have my doubts. But if I wear, I will call you. So
I would love to that. And ma'am, future projects, we would love to know about that.
Yeah, I have a film coming up with Samantha soon.
So can you elaborate on that? And your relation with Samantha is always a great dealing,
No, it's a film I'm looking forward to. For more news will come soon.
Okay. And one message to all the women out there who want to see you in sari.
Hey, you wear saris, no, you look nice in saris. Why you want to see me in saris?
A message, a good message.
No message.
Fashion.
No. See, just be happy. Eat well, be happy, take care of your physical, mental, emotional health. That's all.
And what kind of an accessory lover you are? When you go for a shopping or outside, when you travel, what do you love to pick?
Books.
Oh, good. Nothing. That's
nothing
your.
else. I only like to pick up books. I like to pick up handicrafts.
Okay.
That kind of a thing. I used to earlier be a electronic gadgets buff, but now I'm past that.
Okay.
So I'm more into books. I like. I told people a lot of time, I like steel utensils. So if there's a unique steel dabba, I'll pick it up, or brass dabba, I'll pick it up.
Okay. So if somebody have to impress you with a gift, what gift you should bring and impress?
Nice one unique steel box you get me. I'll be very happy with it.
Oh God. And what kind of a food lover you are?
Everything I eat.
No diet, no fitness funda, anything?
No, I mean, see, fitness, I work out 5 days a week. You have to eat the amount of food that your body can digest. I don't like to eat outside food too much. I eat home food mostly. But at home, I eat whatever I want.
Can we see you, ma'am, directing a full-fledged Hindi movie or Bollywood?
You never know. Right now, Telugu movies are the trend, so I'm doing Telugu. But yes, if something interesting comes up, I would, because I'm very fluent in Hindi also. I've studied in Delhi, so yeah, maybe.
Oh, you're in Delhi? I'd love you for that.
I studied in JNU. So
okay, thank you, ma'am.